Hello, everyone. This is Linda, and today is Friday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. It is very cold here. I can't handle this cold, but it's getting better. It's getting better. Every day it's getting warmer and warmer. But today I stopped by to talk to you all about, YouTube and the new rules. All right, guys, so let's talk about this for a little bit. So, the other day, I did get that email that everybody received about um, the, um, the new rules for YouTube. Well, these rules were set in effect from a settlement from YouTube between YouTube. I'm looking at some notes and the U.S. Federal Trade Commission. Now, listen, guys. The internet has not been around years and years and years and years. When I was growing up, there were no internet. So, with all the new technology going on, new rules, new laws, they come into effect daily. I mean, daily. There is new laws and new rules when it comes to the internet because it's a new thing. Okay, so everyone that I've looked at some videos, they are blaming YouTube for it. They YouTube coming out with all kinds of stuff. They really getting on YouTube. But seriously, guys, it is not YouTube. YouTube is only following the rules. They are following the rules. They don't set these rules. They are not setting these rules. They are following the rules. So, because we are creators, because we are using this platform, yes, then we must follow the rules also. Yes. Now, do I understand that many of us that have kids in our videos or our YouTube channel is focusing on kids, have toys or Disney toys or anything in that nature, then you must set your channel to made for kids. Yeah. And if you set your channel for made for kids, then yes, there's so much that will be taken away from your channel simply because of all of the mean people that's out here. There's some mean people out here doing some really bad things on these YouTube streets. Yes. So let me run down some of the things that will be taken away from your channel if your channel is set for made for kids. So starting in January, I'm looking at notes, okay? Starting in January, YouTube will limit data for a lot of channels that is made for kids. No one will be able to comment, which I see that's going on right now. You will not have notification bells. You will not be able to use end cards or stickers. You will not be able to live chat or super chat. No donations. No, none of these things. So this is between COPPA and YouTube. This is the settlement that was going on, and that is the name of this this kid laws. This under these kids laws is called COPPA. Okay, so what is a kid? A kid is 13 years and under. That's a kid here in the United States. Now, I'll tell you what I've done to my channel, because I had videos with my granddaughter in them, in the videos with me. So Jada, I think now going way back, I had to go all the way back there, and I changed those individually. But what I did was I didn't delete those videos. I just made them private for my family. And then I went and I changed my videos to was not made for kids, right? So now all of my videos changed to not made for kids. And you don't, it's not hard. It's very easy. Go into YouTube Studios and follow those directions. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to put in the description box the process of where to go to change your videos. So if you have your children or your grandchildren in your videos that is under 13, I will show you that process of how to change it. And then I will show you how the process of how to change it, your entire video library to not made for kids. And when you upload a video, it will automatically go to not made for kids if that's what your channel is. Now, if your channel is made for kids, you must set it to made for kids. If you have toys, if you have any plushed animals, if your children is under 13 and they're in all the videos, then you must change your videos to made for kids. And I know so much is going to be taken away from you. Yeah, it is really bad because a lot of people use this as to help them to live from month to month, and I understand that. But that is our world, and these mean people, they're here. They are here. They are here on these YouTube streets. They're here. So the one people we can protect, and that is the children. So I hope that this helped you all. I hope it helps someone. And I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful Friday. I'm going to put those steps in the description box. Okay. All right, guys. Listen, you all have a great weekend. Hi, guys. I wanted to add this on to this video. This is the same day. I have on a different jacket. I just came back. I had to run out for a little bit. But my daughter asked me a question, and I definitely wanted to add this because, yeah, it may be a question you all may ask. And so the question is, so what if I really wasn't aiming at the audience of children, but I have my children in the videos? So, listen, this online Privacy Act is for children. So let me. It's called COPPA. It says Children Online Privacy Protection Act. So listen, YouTube is just one internet service that is putting this act into effect. But listen, you will see it on many other social media sites very soon, that they are really getting it together when it comes to children seeing too much that they should be seeing. But anyway, if your children is in the video with you, then so you think about this. I mean, just thinking is that children draws children. So if your children is under 13 and they are in the video, then there's another word that they're using also in there, is that if the children are models or characters in the video, then yes, that is made for kids. So if your children under 13 and they are in the video, then yes, you should mark that video as made for kids. That's the way that is. So it is all about protecting the children. That is what this act is all about. Now, my background is law. It really is, and I worked for many, many attorneys. I worked in a courthouse all my life. So laws, yeah, I'm drawn to laws and the law of this land because that's what I love. So I read this entire act, and it is to protect the children. Now, just like anything else in life, you know how they say, you know, the good have to suffer for the bad. And this is true. This is true in everything we do. This is what it is. Because of these very bad people out here, the one people that is being protected here with this act is the children. All right, guys. Later, y'all.